In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the browser console on Google Chrome. This is a very useful skill to know, especially if you're troubleshooting a website, checking for error messages, or following technical instructions from a support team or developer. The browser console is part of Chrome's built-in developer tools, and it lets you view messages, warnings, and errors that a web page may generate while it's running. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website or page where you want to access the console. It's usually best to open the exact page you're working with before opening the console, so you can immediately see any messages related to that page. After that, move your mouse anywhere over the web page and right-click. This will open a menu with several options. In that menu, click Inspect. When you do this, Chrome will open the Developer Tools panel. Depending on your browser layout, this panel may appear on the right side of the window, at the bottom, or in a separate window. Don't worry if it looks a little technical at first. That's completely normal. Once the Developer Tools panel is open, look along the top for the tab labeled Console and click it. This is the section where Chrome shows logs, warnings, and error messages from the web page. If the page has any issues loading scripts or running certain features, you may see those messages here. In many cases, this is exactly where you need to look when diagnosing a problem. If you don't see the console tab right away, the panel may be too narrow, and some tabs may be hidden inside an overflow menu. If that happens, look for a double arrow icon and click it to find console in the list. At this point, the browser console is open and ready to use. You can leave it open while interacting with the page to watch new messages appear in real time. This can be especially helpful when you're trying to reproduce an issue or understand what happens after you click a button or load new content. And that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, right-click on the page, select Inspect, and then click Console. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.